Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. What a beautiful, fully walled property. This spacious, light and airy home features four bedrooms and three and a half bathrooms and sits on a little over one-third acre of land. Downstairs, there is a comfortable living room and a dining room. Additionally, there is a separate, self contained two bedroom, one bathroom unit that has its own kitchen and living area. This will make an ideal rental property, which can generate an additional income. The property is walled with a double garage and a lovely lawn. Opportunities like this are rare and don't hang around for long. Why not make this your forever home and enjoy the cool temperatures of the Mandeville Hills? This property is within minutes of Mandeville Town Center, where you will find all the local amenities like banks, supermarkets, bars, restaurants, and the shopping plazas. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 58 million or US $364.3 thousand dollars. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.